Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Shall we start? 20th one over? Yes or no? 20th problem over.
Ma'am, we are doing yesterday. To give one of the homework.
Yes, yesterday I gave you as homework. All of you completed? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
No answer? Not completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Not completed.
Ma'am, I only completed till 18.
18th. Okay, let us start. 18th. 19th
Ma'am,
one I told you to.
complete till 19th.
19th one we completed in class itself. Now 20th one you told you will write in. Which system you told? In France, you have to arrange the numbers in. What you should write there? The names of few countries and their populations are given below. Use this information to answer the questions that follow. What is the population of France? What is the population of France? And write the numbers in words. What is the population of France? And write the numbers in words. Can you tell me what is the population of France?
Ma'am, which question?
Now 20th one we are doing now, 20th problem. 20th problem.
Okay,
What
ma'am.
is the...
We did not complete 17th and 18th.
Yes, we completed. 17th and 18th we completed. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
17th completed. 18th also we completed. 19th also we wrote. Now we have to do 20th problem. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your doubt?
No doubt.
No doubt. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am. We can start.
Now you can write. What is the 20th problem?
20th problem. The name of a few
The
countries.
names of few countries and their
And their
populations are given below. Use this information to answer the questions that follow. Okay? France, Iceland, Iran, Italy. They mention some population. What is meant by population? What do you mean by population?
famous.
What do you mean by population?
Famous.
Huh?
People in the.
What is meant by population?
People in the France.
Yes. Can you tell me what is meant by population?
Number of people live.
Number of people in that country. Okay. So in Afghanistan, France, Iceland, Iran and Italy, they mention what are the populations. So what is your work? They asked about, you have to write, see the population and you have to write the numbers in. Are you following the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what is the question they asked? What is the question they asked, Bilsa? Read the question 21.
The name of a few countries.
Others, all of you mute. Only she should read. Yes.
The name of a few countries and their population are given below. Use information to answer the question that follow.
That follows. Yes. Then, what is the question they asked? France. What is the population of France? 6544737. What is the population of France?
544,54,7,000.
All of you mute.
374.
Who is reading now?
Rizin.
I'm Rizin.
All of you mute your audio.
Ma'am,
So, they asked about what is the population of France. Write the number in words. What is the population of France? 65. 6, 5, 4, 4, 7, 3, 7, 4. This is the population of France. Population of France. Is it correct? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Any difficulty?
No, ma'am.
No. Are you following? Population of France. What you should write next?
Ma'am, we should add commas.
Number
Yes,
name.
insert
We should write the
comma
number
and you
name.
have to write the number according to Indian system of numeration. France, that is the population. Even if it is outside the country, you can write the population. How will you insert comma in Indian system of numeration? What is the population? Yes,
Largest population.
yes, we can write now. How will you insert comma there in Indian system of Tejas? How will you insert comma? How will you insert comma here in Indian system of numeration? Others, all of you mute. I don't want any to answer.
47,
unmute.
374.
Yes, very good.
We don't have range.
Next. What is another comma where we will write? Anupama, where we will write the comma next? Yes, Anupama.
We should
47.
write this in international
Next
or
one, 6.
Indian system of.
Indian system, you can write in Indian system. Okay. Even if it is France, we are reading in Indian system of numeration. We can read in Indian system of numeration. That is the population of France. Even if it is the population of France.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, any doubt?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you explain me 28th question once more because
Excuse me,
I did
ma'am.
not understand.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Mudra, I do not understand.
Which one?
Ma'am, what is
Ma'am,
that sound is coming?
4,47,374.
Ma'am, crash sound is coming.
Who is telling the doubt? Others, all of you mute. Question says that the question, the names of few countries are given below. The names of few countries are given below. Okay? And their populations are also given below. Different countries are given. Which are the different countries they give, and use this information to answer the questions that follow. Okay, so what you are going to do is they had given some country names and what is the population in that country, and you have to use that to Amna, please mute. So some countries are also given. You have to name the country and which is having the same population. Now is it clear, Rudra? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
So, different countries they mention. What are the countries
Yes,
received?
it's clear.
What are the countries
France.
given?
France.
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 And population
France.
also given. What is the population?
Ireland.
6544774 is the population.
Population of France
Yes.
is
Next one.
65447,374.
Who is reading now?
Ma'am, Anupama.
For what?
Ma'am, Anupama.
Jalin, what is the second country given?
Iceland.
Iceland. And population also given.
Iceland.
What is the third country given? Antilia Maria?
Iran. Iran.
Iran. Population also given and its population also given. How many people are there in each countries they are given? What, then next one. What is the next one?
Italy.
Amna? Amna, what is the next one they gave?
Yes, ma'am.
Italy. What is the population of Italy? 4 countries are given. Which are the 4 countries given? First one is France. Second one is, don't repeat. Don't repeat. Don't repeat.
Italy.
Ma'am, will have a doubt.
Don't repeat it. Yes, Bilsa, wait 1 minute. I will tell afterwards you clear. Okay. So, first, these are the 4 countries given. Which are the 4 countries, Fala? Which are the 4 countries given? France, its population given. Iceland, its population given. Iran, its population given. Italy, its population. Yes, Bilsa, now you tell me your doubt.
Ma'am, they give the question as like this. Write the number in words.
Yes. Now you have to write, use this information to answer the following questions that follows. Population they have given. So, first part, is it clear now, Rudra? First part says that, what is the population of France and write the number in words. Okay? So, you have to read, what is the population? Already they mentioned there. What is the population of France? What is the population of France? 5447374. Now, what we are going to do is, we have to insert comma. How will you insert comma in Ovin? After how many digits you will insert comma in Indian system? 374, 47, 54, 6. Okay?
Ma'am, will you send this in the WhatsApp?
Yes. So,
Can you show the eighth number in words?
which one?
Ma'am, we don't have range. A number in words.
Now you have to write the number in words. How will you read this number in words? Now to whom? Fia Lijo. How will you read this number in words? In Indian system. Yes. Read Fia Lijo. Antilia Maria asked now. Romal. How will you read? Can you tell me how will you read this number?
6 crore 54
Okay.
lakh 54 lakh
Okay.
47,374.
47,374. Okay, very good. 6 crore.
6 crore 54 lakh.
Step. Okay, 6 crore. Next
Ma'am,
one.
you should write this. Ma'am,
Yes, you have
you
to write.
should write this in the...
Yes, in your notes you have to write 6 crore
Okay, ma'am.
54 lakh. So what is the population of the country France? 6 crore 54 lakh.
And we should write down.
1,374.
And we should write down.
First you mark
Down
A.
way.
Ma'am, can you say the spelling of lakh? I couldn't understand what you wrote.
L-A-K-H. Lakh. L-A-K-H. 6 crore 54 lakh 47,000 300
1,000.
374. 6 crore 54 lakh 57,374. 6 crore. Are you writing?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, we are
This is the
writing.
first one answer. You
I
are
finished.
reading in Indian system. Even in France also, you can read in Indian system. How you will read the number?
Ma'am, it's out of it is out of India, right? Then why we are reading in Indian system of
Because we are
numerics?
reading. You can write in India international system also. You can write the answer. That is also correct. But now we are reading this number. They are asking in Indian system.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. No problem.
Ma'am,
You
can I
How
read
will you
the
write in
B?
international system? How will you insert comma? So you have to
Ma'am,
insert
after
comma
two
after each
digit
three
number.
digits. Two
Ma'am,
ways
after
also you
two-
can write. How we are reading
Ma'am,
that
can I
number?
read the B question?
Iceland.
Ma'am, can I read the B question?
Yes.
What is the population of Italy?
What is the
What is
population
the
of
population
Italy?
of Italy?
Write the
Write
number
the
in
numbers in
words.
words.
All of you finish now?
Model answer, please.
Yes.
can present
Can model answer, please.
Wait. Anupama, you tell.
Anupama.
Others all mute.
Okay, ma'am.
Vidya Krishna, mute your audio.
Okay, ma'am. In Iceland, right?
What
Iceland,
is
ma'am.
the population
Uh,
of Iran?
Iran. Okay.
Iran first. Second, what is the B part? What is the population of Italy?
Italy.
What is the population of Italy? So you can write population of Italy is. Shall I rub it now?
6
Yes or
crore.
no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
6 crore.
So population of Italy is
34,328.
6 crore.
population of
Population.
Italy is. What is the
6
population
crore.
of Italy is?
6 crore.
Yes, 603
603 4
40
0
300
328 328.
328.
Ma'am, can you read the
Rudra,
What?
read the answer now.
okay, ma'am.
Read.
Ma'am, 6 crore
Now, how will you insert comma
34,000.
in Indian system?
Ma'am, after
328, 40.
Ma'am, can she
okay.
Yes. Next one now, who is there? Rudra Krishna, mute your audio. Jelin, now you read. Now you read.
Ma'am, can I look for marriage
Yes,
answer?
Anupama already read. Let the mothers also get chance. Okay,
6
listen.
crore.
Yes, 6 crore.
3 lakh.
6 crore.
6 crore.
3 lakh.
40,000.
40,000.
40,000. 300.
40,000.
300
300.
and 28.
And 28.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Next question can Razeen read?
Yes.
Next question can Razeen read?
Receive, you can.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Receive not read
Which
anything now.
of the
You can read.
countries has a population?
Finished all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
doubt now?
No, ma'am.
Shall I repeat?
Yes, ma'am. I didn't finish.
Yes, ma'am.
Sachin,
Ma'am, can you share the screen once more?
Sachin, are you following?
Which of the
Yes.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
population?
C part.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Which of the countries, Iceland or Iran, has the largest population?
The population, yes. What is the third question? Which countries, Iceland or Iran, has larger population? Which is having larger population?
Iran.
The answer is
Iran has the larger population.
Iran is having larger
Larger
population.
population.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. C part. Iran is having
Iran is having the largest population.
population.
Finish.
Yes. And what is the population? Iran
Population of Iran is 7 crore.
750
750.
Now you can insert comma and write it. Okay. Nevin Joy, how will you read this number?
50 lakh
7 crore.
Okay, very good.
7 crore. 50 lakh.
7 crore.
78,000.
50 lakh.
50 lakh 78,000.
78,000.
Ma'am,
28.
1,000.
what is 1,000?
7 crore.
7 crore 50 lakh 70,000.
50 lakh 70,000.
What I want to do now?
Anupama, I will. Who unmuted there now? Jalin, mute your audio. If I am asking only, they should answer. 21st problem. Shall I rub it? Yes,
Yes,
we can
ma'am.
rub it now.
Yes.
So 21st, find the place values and face values of the underlined digits in the given number. Place value and place value. 21A. What is the question? 9800.
Excuse me, ma'am. Will you send it in the WhatsApp?
Yes, I will send.
Okay, ma'am.
So what is the place value? What is the question there? Which is underlined here? 9 is underlined.
9.
9 is underlined there. So Irene, can you tell me what is the place value of, what is the face value of 9? Face value of 9 is the same as 9 itself. Okay, don't change any number. What is the place value of 8? 8 itself. What is the place value of 0? 0 itself. What is the place value of 2? 2. So face value means only 9 itself. Face value. Is it clear? What is the face value of 9?
9.
8? 8.
9.
What is the face value of 2? 2. What is the face value of 3? 3 itself.
3.
Whatever number is there, face value is nothing but the same number. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, place value you have to write it as, what is the place value of 9 in this problem? What is the place value of 9 in this problem?
9
This
crore.
1,
10 lakhs.
10
9
plus
crore.
100,000, 10,000. Next one.
10 lakh.
Lakh, 10 lakh.
10
So
lakh.
what is the place value of 9? 10 lakh. So
10
9,
lakh. 10 lakh.
10 lakh.
9 lakh, 90 lakhs you have to write it.
90 lakh, not 10 lakh, 90 lakh.
Okay, one more zero. How many zeros you have to write? How many zeros? 6 zeros. 6 zeros. So what is this number? How will you read this number?
90,000.
90,000.
90,000. 90,000.
90,000.
90 lakhs.
Not 90
90
lakhs.
lakhs.
90 lakhs.
90 lakhs.
90 lakhs. 90 lakhs.
Is it clear? Josine, any doubt?
Yes,
What is the
ma'am.
face value of
No
9?
doubt.
Face
Very
value of
simple.
9 is 9 itself. And what is the place value of place value of 9 will be 90 lakhs.
90 lakhs. Wow. So simple.
Is it clear? What is the difference between face value and place value? Yes or no? Place value means you have to count and write the digits. Face value means only the same digit you have
Same
to.
number.
Same number.
Same number. Ma'am, one doubt.
Sachin, any doubt?
One doubt.
Mute your audio.
One doubt.
Yes.
Then size did B also.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Tell your name and ask the doubt. Who is having doubt?
Jelly.
Tell me.
Jelly.
Ma'am, you tell replace value of 9 is 10 lakhs. So how we will write 9
So
lakhs?
9 means 90 lakhs. 9 into 10 lakh. 9 into 10 lakh. Okay, so it will come as 90 lakhs. 10 lakh is the place value, but 9 is already there. So you have to write it as 9 into 10 lakh. 10 lakh also you can write, no mistake in that. Place value just, okay, next one. Yes, nice doubt she is asking, like that. Doubts are always welcome. Nice doubts. Okay, next one. That means those who are asking the doubts, they are listening. Okay, B means, what is the B problem now? Racine, you told, to whom I asked. Jelin, Shaijo, what is the B problem face value? Which is underlined? 1. 1 is underlined. So what is the face value of 1?
Lakh. 1 lakh. 1
4. Who is
lakh.
that? 4.
Ma'am, only one. One
Ma'am,
itself.
only one.
4, 1.
One
Ma'am,
itself.
four.
The place value of one is one itself.
4, 1. 2,
For
3.
one. Truth.
0, 5, 9. What is the place value? What is the place value of 1 which is underlined? 1.
One.
What is which is underlined?
One.
1.
One.
So what is the face value?
One.
Lakh.
Face value is
Lakh.
1. What is the place value? Place
is
value
lakh.
have to write?
Lakh.
Face
Lakh.
value is 1 and place
1 lakh.
place value is
1 lakh.
1 lakh. 5 zeros enough. 6 zeros you need? No. 1 lakh. Is it okay? Finished all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. With that, one more problem is there. That chapter, that topic will finish. Shall we go to the next problem?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
22nd question.
problem.
What is the difference between the place value and face value of the digit 6? Digit 6 in the number 1, 6. Subtract the face value from the place value. What is the difference between the place value and face value of the digit 6? So what is the question there?
Ma'am, can Anupama read it again?
Yes, read now. Anupama.
What is the difference between the place value and face value of the
Of
digit
the
6 in the number of
1, 6,
167
7,
0 0
0,
9
0,
2 5 9 to
925.
925. Subtract
This is the
face
question
value
given.
from place
Now this
value.
is 22nd question.
Subtract face value from place value.
What is the difference between face value of the digit 6? Where is the 6? Digit 6. What is the face value of 6?
6 itself.
6 itself.
6 itself.
6 itself.
Ma'am.
Face value of 6. What is the place value? Who is that galaxy? Gaming. What is the place value?
Place value 10 lakhs.
Place value is
10 lakhs.
10 lakhs.
67 lakhs.
10,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh.
67 lakhs.
So you will get 60 lakh. Not
60
67
lakh,
lakh.
not 67 lakh. 60 lakh.
67 lakh it will not come. Only 60 lakhs. 60 lakhs.
Ma'am, Evangel is singing the song.
Who is that?
Evangel.
Who?
Evangel. Maria.
Somebody's name is written as Missy.
Yes. Face value of 6 is you can write it as 6. And the place value you can write it as 60 lakhs.
Ma'am, your video is stuck.
Next one. What is the difference between the place values? Difference you can write 60 lakhs minus 6. 60 lakhs minus 6. You have to subtract and write. So the answer will be 59 lakhs 99,000
59,000.
900. Value of 6 there. What is the place value of 6? 6 itself. What is the face value of 6 there? Place value of 6, 60 lakhs. And what is the difference between the place value and face value? Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
No. So what is the face
No,
value of
ma'am.
6? What is the face value of 6? 6 itself. What is the place value of 6? 60 lakhs. What is the difference between place value and face value. So we'll get it as 59 lakhs 99,994. Now any doubt, Rudra?
No, ma'am.
Is it clear?
No, ma'am, no
Yes,
doubt.
ma'am.
No
Huh?
doubt.
Now you mute
No
your
doubt.
audio. Mute your audio. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
So what is the difference between the place value and face value? Okay, is it clear, all of you? One more period is there. We can start Roman numerals, or I will revise it once again. All the
Okay,
problems.
ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
We can start Roman
Thank you.
numerals, or I will revise the questions. I will ask you to write the number names.
Ma'am,
You
we
have to
can
write the
start
number
Roman
names.
Roman.
Is it clear?
Roman.
Shall we
Yes,
stop here
ma'am.
now?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
bye.
ma'am.
Next
Yes,
period.
ma'am.
This is your next
Thank you,
period.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.